Good morning, guys. Today I want to talk to you about the planar InspecVision P43.50 model series. So this is an entry-level model to the InspecVision planar series. As you can tell, it's a little bit smaller in the surface that it takes up in your shop. Also, the height's a little bit smaller as well. We're looking at about 8 feet up there. So today I want to show you live what it looks like to sit down, use the machine, how it measures data, and kind of show you the live demo of it. So let's jump into it. As with any InspecVision model series, you can literally take your part, put it anywhere on the table. We have these dots that encompass the camera view. As long as it's within those dots, we can measure the part. As I open up our program here, that's what the part should look like when we measure it. There we go. And with the click of a button, you'll see the lights turn on real fast. 2, 1, lights taken. From there, the measurement has been taken. I can move the part if I want to, but I do like being able to show off this lovely feature. We did fail one measurement in here. You can see that there's a problem on that red line right there. So the system does highlight the part in red using what's called SurfScan. So I can jump into our inspection report, and we can see that 25 dimensions did pass. So what did fail is that there's a slight burr or issue with this edge of the part. As you can see, we're a lot more rounded off in that corner than we should be. Thus, it's a bad part. Now, what about on a smaller model? Can we still run multiple parts? Yes, we can. So I'll take 2 more parts, add it to the table. Go 1, 2, and 3. Now, they can be extremely close as long as they are not physically touching. You can run as many parts as you can fit on the table. Using the exact same function, I click on Measure again, and fit 1, fit 2, fit 3, and now we have 2 red and 1 green. So we've got a passing part over here, failing parts over here. Why they failed? Actually, one of them failed because we have a missing dimension. We can see anything highlighted in pink is a failing feature. So I can go over to this part, see that this one's highlighted in pink with the red number 3, so I know the number 3 part fails. All right. If I go into my inspection report here as well, we can see we took 75 dimensions on my 3 parts, an average of 25 dimensions per part. Now, technically, we did measure everything. However, we go into the inspection report and just call out the critical information that you actually want to see on your inspection reports. So this machine, as with any planar model, can spit out SPC data, can spit out PDF reports if you need it. And another benefit of this machine is your entryway into the reverse engineering world of the 2D measurements. So if I go to my CAD feature here, I can see my 3 parts that I just measured here. And let's say I want to take this guy right here and make this into a CAD model because maybe I don't have this yet. There's a couple ways to do it, but the quickest and easiest is highlight everything and convert it into polylines and arcs. Now there's some math calculations we can throw in here to average out more, average out less, depending on your data. So like right here, we can see the entry point for the laser. If we were to average up higher, we could actually remove that, average around to that, and give you a nice flat line if we wanted to. But in a couple clicks, we can say export, export as, drawing file, DXF files, different years, different formats. We kind of should be able to get whatever year you guys need. And from there, you can go off and measure that part, reverse engineer it, cut it on your laser, and you're good to go. So again, with a couple clicks, with a couple of easy slides of parts in, you guys can do it. Now parts can be bigger than the table. If you guys see, we actually have the ability to slide things in from the side if you need to just measure some of it and then slide it in. So we've got open cavities all around it for bigger parts if needed. But as a whole, we're looking at table size in this machine is 20 inches by 31 inches, just so you guys know rough dimensions on that. And everything's completely included in here. We've got our monitor here, keyboard and mouse stand here, power button for the PC, power button for the projector, and a nice USB port if you guys need to bring in some CAD models off the flash stick instead of using the network. So, thanks for watching the P43.50 planar demo, and hope you enjoy it. Take care.